Okay, so it is just before 10:30 a.m. August 6th, and I am very sorely in need of a portfolio. And as you can see here, all this is done in React with TypeScript. At this point, I don't really feel like dealing with React, and the only reason I learned it to begin with was I thought I might be able to get a job doing it. That never really shook out. So I guess the plan right now is to tear all this down and then see how quickly I can get up to speed using Svelte. All right, it's August 8th at a little after 11 a.m. and I pretty much do have a functioning website. But here's an interesting problem I just had to fix. So I have a couple classes of projects. I cloned the video and music pages from this projects page. So check it out. On the music page, it works. I have my project, which is my Life So Simple concert, right? And if I click on it, it brings me to a page where there's more detail. Okay, that's cool. And if I go to projects here, which is the original page I cloned from, I click it, same deal, goes to that. But here's the video page, which is broken on purpose right now, so I can show you how I fixed it. So I have my data in here. This is the video page, blah, blah, blah. There's a link, but I click on it and it goes, oh, there's nothing here, right? Let me show you why this is happening. Here on the projects page, here in the URL slug, it says projects. And then if I click this, we get projects / and then slick portfolio. That's the slug here. But if I go in the video page and click, I'm not getting /video and then the video project slug. So this URL slug is wrong. I had to fix this, which I did in the music side, right? It said /music. If I click on the music project, it is /music / the project slug. Let me show you how I did that. So the problem was in the projects card, which all three of those pages are using, the URL slug is hard-coded to projects. So what I had to do is in this line, I had to add a property called base path that's going to allow me to change that. Okay, so now I have the base path up here, and whatever we pass into the base path is going to become that part of the URL slug. But if you notice, this is in TypeScript, so we're going to get another problem. I need to define what a base path is, so I'm going to say, okay, it's a string. But now my video data page is yelling at me because it doesn't have that base path type, so I have to add it. So I'm just going to go here and then say, oh, it's suggesting it, base path video. Same deal here. So I guess for every project I have, I'm going to have to specify a base path so we know like what page it's ultimately going to. It's an extra step, but you know, I got a couple things going on, so it's nature of the beast. And check it out, it works now. So on the video page, I click on my first video project. This is a video project. There's my data up there. And the slug is correct, video / video project. If I go over to music, click on my music project, there's this. And then again, the URL slug is correct. If I go to projects, same deal. Projects, bam, bam, we're done. It's fixed. I'm going to go to the gym.